Hi all, welcome to the video. Uh, in this video, we will look at what other considerations we have to be careful of while using the spread function or pivoting function. And we'll basically be using the ECTAT library, and it has the medical expenditure data. If you have not installed the library, you can install this using this particular command. I already have it installed, and let me show you the data set. So data set is nothing on a very high level. It indicates, what is the particular health condition for respondent, what is their age, what is their gender, whether they have child or not. So these are the things that are provided in the data. The main objective of this video is to first, for each row we have to indicate whether it is in a health condition which is good, excellent or bad. So what I'm trying to do is I will pivot health condition column so that the values good, excellent and bad are present as columns, as individual columns. So how can we do that? We will be using the spread function. First of all, we will mutate, create a value, and which will be equal to 1 for all columns. So just to give you an idea, so I have created a column which is 1 for all the records. Okay, now I will basically be spreading it. So I want to spread the health column. Okay, let's spread the health column, and I want the values to be derived from val column. Okay. Now let's do that. Okay. So now if I spread this, it will indicate that there are certain records or there are certain rows for which the values of other columns are same. So these are the particular 6 rows for which these are the same. Now what should we do in such cases when it has identified that for each record there must be a unique combination of keys and there are certain duplicates for few rows. So in that case, what we can do is we can create a unique identifier which is 1 through n. So let me show you that. So if I convert this, apart from the val column which has one value for all the records, the index column has 1 2 3 all the way up to the last row. So now if I now basically pivot it, now see, we will get this particular data frame. Let me show you the top records. Okay, so you see these were the columns that are already present. We created index and val, and then val is particularly used in pivoting the health column. So unique values for health are excellent, good, fair and poor. So we see these have been converted to columns. Now since there are NA present in these columns, so what we will do, we just use fill equal to 0. So the important thing to consider here is whenever we get an error which is related to unique combination of keys, so it is always advisable to add an index which has a different value or which act as a running counter across several rows, so that we get a unique combination across all the rows in our data set, and then we can obviously spread it or pivot it. I hope this video was useful.